Wednesday. It's time for Coffee and Conversation with Jennifer, Simplicity Coach. And I want to remind you that organizing isn't complicated, time is sacred, and money is a renewable resource. So welcome to this week's Coffee and Conversation. The topic is you cannot outsource your organizing. And what a strange topic coming from the organizing coach or the simplicity coach. You can't outsource your organizing just like you can't outsource your weight loss. Hiring a trainer doesn't mean that the trainer does the work for you and loses the weight for you. The trainer guides you along and helps you make better decisions. So it's the same with organizing. There is this desire to not do it, and I get it. Organizing is not everybody's favorite thing to do. It's mine, but it's not everybody's. And the desire is, well, I don't like doing it, so I'm going to pay someone else to do it for me. And that might work for a while, but it will never sustain you. So if a goal is to simplify life, to create space, to really make some transitions and transformations with things and with stuff, then you're going to have to go make those decisions yourself. A simplicity coach, an organizing coach is certainly helpful to guide you along, to point out all the ways that you're getting in, or the hurdles that you're erecting in front of yourself. But I can't organize for someone else. Now, there are companies that will do this. They'll come in, and it's a very hands-off approach, but pretty much what they're doing is tidying up and kind of containerizing things and adding labels and spending some money at the container store, and it looks very nice, but that's a different goal and a different intent than someone who's wanting to create space, get rid of things. It's not always the perfect organization that is the end goal, so much as it's I want a different feeling in my home. Think about emails. A good friend of ours has quite a lot of emails in his inbox, and he said, well, I'm going to pay my daughter to sort them and organize them for me. And some of the things that she would be able to do, like unsubscribe from certain emails, to file, there are just certain things that she could do, but only he can make those decisions, but she can't do them until he tells her what decisions they are. So again, the decisions can't be outsourced. You have to be the one to make them because it's you that wants your stuff organized. So I hope this is helpful today. If you are in that space of, I want to get organized, I don't know if I have the time, or I don't know that I really want to go through these decisions myself, then I highly recommend calling a coach. Calling me, for example, that's my forte, is helping clients make the decision of, do I want to keep this, yes or no? Sometimes that's a difficult decision. And then within the no, I don't want to keep it, there usually is many layers of complication. And that's the hurdles that keep clients from getting organized on their own or getting organized with a friend or family member. And that's the relationship with our stuff. Remember a couple weeks ago, it might be a couple months at this point, where I said our stuff is the anchor and what we think and feel and believe about it is the chain. And in order to create space, you've got to cut that chain one link at a time, and then eventually the anchor is gone. So all that weight ends up being gone. It's not that you live with nothing, but you definitely don't live with the weight of it all. So I hope you're having a great week, and catch me next week back for Coffee and Conversation on the Facebook page at the Jennifer Burnham, and have a good one. Bye.